Our fully end-to-end in-house service, repair and maintenance teams provide immediate, reactive and planned capabilities across Ireland and Northern Europe. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Our experienced and fully equipped teams deliver a prompt, efficient and comprehensive service with access to one of Europe's largest stocks of pumps, motors, valves and electrical products, membranes, UV parts and spares in our strategically located warehouses and branches. With proven reaction times, emergency call-outs or routine maintenance requirements are covered by our team, the largest pool of skilled personnel in mechanical, electrical, instrumentation and SCADA, process and water technicians, totalling a team of 80 across the UK, Ireland and Northern Europe. EPS has over 200 vehicles on the road between Ireland, the UK and Europe, with fleet management system capabilities, allowing full visibility of our presence to ensure the best response time with the most appropriate resources for emergency breakdown situations. As water, wastewater and pumping specialists, EPS has over 50 years' experience providing servicing, repairs and maintenance, innovative and progressive products, solutions and after-sales care to the water utility sector and beyond, providing a comprehensive offering and an extensive database of customers from the food and beverage, data centre, meat and dairy and industrial sectors. EPS were early adopters of the design, build and operate model in 2000, recently transitioning to design, build, maintain as operators of key wet infrastructure assets across Ireland's water, wastewater, sludge treatment and pumping network since 1999, and with over 20 years' experience and exposure to the optimisation of treatment and pumping assets for all sectors. Our teams use the latest and most efficient technologies, providing PLC, SCADA automation services and troubleshooting, mechanical and electrical service and repair, process optimization, in-house pump and motor assembly, instrumentation service and calibration, emergency cover for asset management, radio telemetry hardware and testing, as well as in-house repair, overhaul and testing facilities. Working in a number of sectors from utilities, commercial, agricultural and residential to industrial, food and beverage, energy, pharmaceuticals and data centres, EPS is a proven and trusted service, repair and maintenance partner of choice. EPS, Rethinking Water.